YouTube, I'm back with another video. I got a car. What car, you might be asking? Well, a 2022 Kia Forte GT. With that being said, everything I do with this car, I want to put it on YouTube so I have like a reputation on YouTube for my Kia Forte. But yo, Beezy, why are you making car videos? You used to make Minecraft videos all the time. Shut up! I don't want to hear none of that. I'm gonna post what I want. You heard? So the first mod I've done with this car is windows.
Wow.
I tinted the windows 20% all around. I just still need to get the back tinted. My next mod are these. What are these, you may ask? I don't know.
Bruh.
But what I do know is where they go. They're supposed to go right here to make it darker. It'll be a really nice fit for the car, seeing as my windows are tinted. Let's install them. Obviously this one goes here, so let's put it on. Some ASMR for you guys. All right, the birds aren't letting me, so sorry guys. Yes, I did it. There is a protective film over all of them, but once I put all of them down, I'm gonna just pull all of them off. But that's the first one done though. On to the next. Last one. Done. Now I can finally unpeel it and see what it looks like. Now, the part I've been waiting for, to unpeel it. All right, I'm done with the ASMR. Let's get all of these unpeeled. Now you guys have the before and after. That concludes my Kia Forte modifications for the day. Let me know what you guys want to see next. If you guys are interested in seeing what I got going on for this car, hit that subscribe button, maybe a like. I don't know. I prefer the comments. So comment down below whatever you guys want to see next done to my Kia.